There is just one more step, which is optional at this point. This is something worth doing when we don't have any customers yet, and we are just launching the product. Something that will make our life so much easier later on, and that is defining a customer class. So we go to Sales, and then Customer Classes. A customer class allows us to define parameters which are going to be applied to a whole group of customers. In our case, to our Small Business Cloud PBX customers. This is our opportunity to define how we should invoice them, what is our collection policy, and so on. So we go to Create and define our customer class, Cloud PBX. Then we enable regular invoicing using one of the already available templates for the invoice layout. We can customize the template later on. Then we enable it to automatically deliver invoices via email to our customers. And we can say that if the invoice balance is less than 99 cents, we're not going to launch a collection process. We are going to allow a 21-day grace period for an invoice to be paid. And we will set it so that 7, 3, and 1 days before the approaching due date for the invoice, the system will send additional notifications. If a customer has a credit card on file, we can set it to charge it automatically when producing an invoice. And if the credit card fails on that day, we can retry it 5 days later. If a customer forgets to pay an invoice before the due date, we can send a few more notifications and even apply late fees. And if the customer doesn't pay the invoice after 30 days, then their service will be automatically suspended. As a courtesy, we will notify the customer 1 week in advance about the approaching suspension. Finally, if an invoice is not paid within 60 days after the due date, we are going to terminate the customer permanently. There are many more settings in the Customer Class menu, and the best thing about using this function is that, in the future, we can make a single change here, and it will be automatically applied to all customers that are assigned to this customer class. Let's save our customer class and start applying it to our customers.